Oh, amazing to hear you say that. Well received, and sometimes just the littlest bit of gratitude and appreciation along the way is exactly what keeps. It's like when you're anyone that used to play that game Rad Racer, and you're like ticking and you've run out of gas, and you're just like ticking, waiting for that next mark so it refills your gas so you can keep playing the game. Sometimes that's what it's like being a community developer, and you just feel like so much, yeah, just so much friction and negative like animosity and hostility that actually comes from just standing up here and providing a space for people to learn, for people to connect to each other and to connect to new knowledge. And it's just a whisper of a platform, of a time and space where we can gather. And even just a few dozen of us gathering day in and day out somehow could even rub people the wrong way is mind-boggling for me. But just the same, sometimes just like that game where we're just out of gas, but somehow the wheels are rolling and we're just hoping to just make it to the next gas station so we can refill. Sometimes just the slightest bit of gratitude and appreciation and acknowledgement is really what it takes to keep this boat moving, to keep this car moving and get past the next checkpoint. So much appreciated.